Bank account. This is a funny one, guys. So let's start. First of all, my suggestion will be have your personal bank account, and on your personal bank account you have a saving account. Open another account, maybe with another bank if you want to. That's your business account. It's the account where you do all the stuff that is regard your work. And on this business account, open another small account that you will call a tax account. And I will explain why you need to do these two accounts, why you need to have these two accounts. Logically, you need to have two different cards. Because if you buy something for your business, you need to pay for your business card. If you go to buy something with your girlfriend, you need to use your personal bank account.